Another day, another story. In this video we will understand the basic terminologies in the stock market. Whether you are a beginner or looking to expand your knowledge, understanding these fundamental terms is essential for successful investing. In this video, we will cover 5 important keywords and provide a clear explanation of each term. So, let's dive into the world of stocks. Welcome to our educational video series. Today, we are going to explore the basic terminologies that you need to know when dealing with the stock market. If you are new to investing or want to refresh your knowledge, this video is perfect for you. Let's get started. Number 1. Stocks. To begin, let's discuss the term stocks. Stocks, also known as shares or equities, represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you become a part owner of that company, entitled to a share in its profits and losses. Stock prices fluctuate based on market conditions and investor sentiment. Number 2. Bull market. Our next term is bull market. A bull market refers to a period of time in the stock market when prices are generally rising, and investor confidence is high. During a bull market, there is an overall sense of optimism, with more buyers than sellers. Number 3. Bear market. Now, let's move on to the opposite of a bull market, a bear market. In a bear market, stock prices decline, and investor sentiment turns negative. It is characterized by a general feeling of pessimism and a higher number of sellers in the market. Number 4. Dividends. Our fourth terminology is dividends. Dividends are a portion of a company's earnings that are distributed to its shareholders as a reward for owning the stock. Companies typically pay dividends quarterly or annually, and the amount is often based on the company's profitability and board of directors' decision. Number 5. Market capitalization. Lastly, let's learn about market capitalization. Market cap is the total value of a company's outstanding shares of stock. It is calculated by multiplying the current stock price by the number of outstanding shares. Market capitalization helps determine the size and worth of a company in the stock market. Congratulations! You have now gained a basic understanding of important terminologies in the stock market. Remember to expand your knowledge continually and stay informed about market trends before making investment decisions. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting videos like this. Thank you for watching.